how do you transfer data from the iPhone to OneDrive? So let me show you how it would work. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So of course, you have the ability to install the app from the App Store, make sure it's working fine and ready. And then when you get inside, you have the option to go either to the Photos section or Files, depends on what exactly you want to transfer to the OneDrive. But if you go to the Files, you can tap the plus button and you now have the ability to either start any of the Microsoft usual files, which are the document or the spreadsheet or PowerPoint, but you can as well tap the plus button or upload button and then decide to either select the photos or videos from the gallery, or when you tap browse, it triggers or initiates the Apple Files window, which slides up from the bottom, and you can choose whichever thing you want, right? Like in here, you can browse your local storage and upload literally any kind of file type, right? So you can transfer data in the sense that you upload your zipped files or PDFs or any other documents and have it stored in the OneDrive cloud storage, right? So that is something which you could most definitely do to make sure it actually works fine. Me personally, what I like to do is that I like to connect it to my built-in Files app. So if you open up the Files app in the left section right there, when you have the locations, you can see all of the third-party ones as well. So I can find my local storage, iCloud, but even Google Drive and OneDrive as well. And if you download the app and you have never used it before, you need to tap on OneDrive and turn it on to initiate it. And then you'll be able to move files between these locations easily, all within one interface. So I kind of like that approach as well. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.